Are you over 40 and wondering which social media platforms can help you earn a significant income? You're not alone. Today, I'm diving deep into some of the best platforms for generating income at any age, especially if you're 40 and beyond. Stay with me as I uncover some of the most effective platforms with practical tips on how to maximize each one, from leveraging your experience to building a thriving online business. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is LinkedIn, the professional's playground. LinkedIn is not just a job hunting site, it's also a goldmine for establishing authority and building a professional network. If you're over 40, the chances are you have significant experience to actually share. I recommend that you create engaging content like articles or short posts around your niche expertise. This can attract business opportunities and consulting gigs. I also suggest that you use LinkedIn's advanced search features to find decision makers in your industry. I then recommend that you reach out with personalized messages offering value such as a free ebook or an exclusive consultation. This strategy positions you as an expert, opening the door to paid partnerships and high-ticket clients. Additionally, I also suggest that you consider hosting a LinkedIn live session. You can talk about industry trends, provide solutions to common problems, and share your personal experiences. This not only boosts your visibility but also builds trust, which is crucial for converting your audience into paying customers. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is Facebook, the community builder. Facebook remains a powerhouse, especially for those 40 and over. I recommend that you use Facebook groups to create a community around your niche. I recommend that you start with a group centered on a specific topic or need and offer high value by sharing your knowledge, free resources, or hosting Q&A sessions. I then recommend that you monetize your group by offering exclusive content or online courses to your members. For instance, a private paid group could offer weekly live coaching sessions or even a monthly workshop. Facebook's algorithms favor active groups, so the more engagement that you foster, the wider your reach actually becomes. I also suggest that you leverage Facebook ads to target a specific demographic that aligns with your products or your services. I suggest that you use storytelling in your ads to connect emotionally, showcasing how your experience uniquely qualifies you to help others. This approach is particularly effective in establishing trust with a more mature audience. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is YouTube, the long game income earner. YouTube is perfect for building a personal brand and generating passive income, even if you're starting at 40 plus. I recommend that you begin by creating content that educates or entertains. I suggest you focus on topics within your expertise and knowledge. Tutorials, how-tos, or discussions about trends in your industry can attract a loyal audience. I recommend that you monetize your channel through ad revenue, but don't stop there. I also suggest that you use affiliate marketing by recommending tools or products and services which are highly relevant to your audience's needs and pain points. I also suggest that you place your affiliate links in your video descriptions and mention them during your videos for maximum impact. Another lucrative option is to create and promote your own products such as ebooks, online courses, or consulting services. YouTube's extended format allows you to dive deep into topics, providing value and establishing authority, which drives viewers to purchase your offerings. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is Instagram, the visual marketplace. Instagram isn't just for millennials, it's a powerful platform for selling visually appealing products or building a personal brand. If you're over 40, I recommend that you use Instagram stories and reels to showcase your expertise, share success stories, and provide behind the scenes glimpses of your business journey. I recommend that you take advantage of Instagram's shopping feature to sell products directly through the platform. I recommend that you create highly engaging posts with compelling visuals and descriptions, and then link them to your online store. This strategy works particularly well for handmade goods, digital products, or even online coaching services. I recommend that you collaborate with influencers or brands that align within your niche. These partnerships can introduce your profile to a broader audience, boosting your reach and credibility. Even micro-influencers can have a significant impact when their followers align with your target market. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is TikTok, the unexpected gem. TikTok is not just for Generation Z, it's growing rapidly among users over 40. I recommend that you use short, highly engaging videos to showcase your knowledge, share quick tips, or provide mini tutorials. A humorous or relatable take on common industry challenges can go very viral, bringing new followers to your online profile. I recommend that you participate in trends but make them relevant to your niche. For instance, you could use a trending audio clip while sharing the top 5 tips for starting an online business after 40, for example. TikTok's algorithm heavily favors engaging content, meaning a single viral video can result in a significant following. I also recommend that you consider live streaming on TikTok to engage with your audience in real time. Answer questions, share highly engaging stories, and provide highly value-packed advice. These sessions can help build trust and drive more traffic to your website or other monetized platforms. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is Pinterest, the visual search engine. Pinterest is ideal for driving traffic to your website or your blog. I recommend that you create visually appealing pins that link to helpful articles, videos, or even online courses. I recommend that you focus on creating content that solves specific problems or answers common questions, which is particularly valuable for an older demographic. I also suggest that you utilize Pinterest's SEO capabilities by incorporating relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and boards. This increases your chances of appearing in search results, driving more organic traffic to your content and your online offers. I recommend that you use Pinterest to promote your products or services by creating a shop the look or get the guide style of pins. Link directly to sales pages, sign-up forms, or lead magnets, which helps to convert Pinterest traffic into more leads or sales. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is Twitter, the thought leaders hub. Twitter is great for establishing yourself as a thought leader. I recommend that you share industry news, personal insights, and engage in conversations about trends which are relevant to your field and your niche. Consistent, meaningful engagement helps build a following that trusts your expertise. I recommend that you host Twitter Spaces or participate in Twitter chats. These live audio conversations allow you to connect directly with your audience, providing a platform to share your knowledge in real time and establish your authority. I recommend that you use Twitter's pinned tweet feature to highlight a key offer, such as a free download or a limited time discount on your services. I recommend that you drive traffic to your website or other platforms by strategically linking content within your tweets. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is Clubhouse, the voice of authority. Clubhouse is an audio-based social app ideal for those who enjoy speaking and sharing their expertise. I recommend that you start by joining rooms relevant to your industry and actively participating in discussions. I suggest that you share valuable insights that demonstrate your experience and your knowledge. I recommend that you host your own rooms on topics that your audience cares about. This positions you as an authority figure and helps attract followers who value your expertise. I recommend that you use this platform to promote your other social media accounts, such as your website or online courses. I recommend that you collaborate with other Clubhouse users to co-host rooms. This exposes you to new audiences and helps you build a network of potential clients and partners. Always end your sessions with a call to action to direct listeners to your offerings or your website. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is blogging platforms, the Evergreen content strategy. Don't underestimate the power of traditional blogging. Platforms like Medium or even your own blog can drive consistent traffic and generate income through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. I recommend that you write about topics that you're passionate about or have some experience in, and also in markets that have a high demand. I recommend that you promote your blog posts across all your social media channels, directing your followers back to your website. I suggest that you include lead magnets like free ebooks and free guides or checklists to grow your email list. which you can later monetize through targeted offers or other promotions. I recommend that you consider guest blogging on particular popular sites within your niche. This can help you tap into new audiences and establish authority in your field, driving traffic back to your website and increasing your opportunities for more income. So there you have it. These 9 platforms are powerful tools for anyone over 40 looking to build an online income. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.